Yeah.
There was an aspect to B-127 that is a throwback to the original Bumblebee.
Yes.
I always felt that he was like the kid on the Transformer.
I did too. In that original Transformers, he was maybe not as he's not as talkative in the original one as this, but there is this childlike quality about him where he's just like, "Golly gee, big brother," and following everybody.
One more
around.
time. One more time. He's like, what?
"Golly gee, big brother."
So another change to the story. You guys have noticed. What is it?
Roll out. That's what you said, right? Okay, just want to make sure.
If you guys have noticed from the